Imagine my respected principal, teachers, parents, and my all dear friends. Today is 26th January. We all have gathered here to celebrate Republic Day. It is one of the most important days for our Indian history. Republic Day is National Festival of India. It is celebrated on 26th January every year in India. It is a very important day for our country. My name is Akshit. 26th of January is celebrated Republic Day. On 26th January 1950, India adopted the Constitution drafted by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Republic Day in India is celebrated all over the country. The great happiness and pleasure of day is held where people take the walk to leave assembled wherein President of India the salute and hoisted and tricolour flags draped and awarded and medals the defense
Very good.